Do you want to browse the internet privately? Learn how to use incognito tabs in just 60 seconds. What are incognito tabs? Incognito tabs, also known as private browsing, allows you to browse the internet without storing your history, your cookies, or your data. Without much ado, let's get into today's episode. So first of all, you log on to any web browser on your mobile phone. You can do this on your smart TV, on your laptop, or whatsoever device, as long as it is smart. Let's do this on a mobile phone. So you open a web browser, you click on the three dots on the immediate right hand side, and then you click on new incognito tab. Now once you click on new incognito tab, because there's a lock on your mobile phone, it will ask you to unlock the incognito tab. Or let's say you've used the incognito tab more often and you are returning to that particular site, they'll ask you to unlock it. So you click on unlock and then you enter your mobile password. If it is a fingerprint, you're going to enter the fingerprint. It is called incognito tab for a reason. You see, right now you're not seeing anything on the screen because they've made it blank, because it is a private browser. No one gets to see whatever you are searching for. So dear parents, dear guardians, you can use this particular tool, most especially when you use your mobile phone and your kid also use, or your kids also use the mobile phone a lot. This prevents them from getting to see whatever you search on the internet. Also, those of us who have smart TVs, this also prevents the kids from getting access to the things that you search online. So I hope this video becomes useful to each and everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned and stay connected. Peace out.